Welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how you can implement Google's in-app billing into your Kodular or Appinventor projects. So without any delay, let's start today's video. Import the extension into your project. First of all, we will call Start Connection block to initiate the connection with Google in-app billing. When the connection is successful, we will show an alert using a notifier. The initializing process is now complete. When the button is clicked, we will initiate the billing process. To do that, first, we will check if the product is a subscription or an in-app product. For that, I am using the checkbox. If it is checked, then it will be a subscription, else it will be an in-app product. Now, we will call getProduct block to get the details of the product using its product ID. For that, we need to create a product. To do so, open your app on the Google Play console. Head over to the in-app product section. Click on Create Product. Type all the product details. Click on Activate. Copy this product ID and fill it inside the product ID parameter. Similarly, we will create a subscription. Copy this subscription ID and put it inside the subscription ID parameter. After we get the product details, we will start the product purchase flow. After the purchase is successful, we will consume the purchase. You can also acknowledge the purchase based on your need. To get the product ID, go to Subscription Details and copy it. Let's handle the product consumption. Let's test it. As you can see, the purchase has been successfully launched. For more videos like this, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.